Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Oppo A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. Alright, so to unmute ringtone, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to open sound and vibration option, and right here to unmute ringtone all you have to do is just drag this ringtone dot to the right, like this or like this, it doesn't matter. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.